Hi everyone and welcome. So today we're going to be taking a quick look at the bronze 3-bedroom caravan here at, well, it used to be called Thorpe Park, Haven site at Cleethorpes. So quick look around. It was a very wet day when we arrived. It had been raining all day, so the site was actually quite flooded, and as you can see it's literally like a bog getting into the caravan. It did dry out eventually. Took a day or two to dry out, but it did in the end. So we're in the Meadows area of the site. So actually, if it's dry and not boggy like this, then it's actually a really nice area. Quite open. Nice big field in the middle there for the kids to run around. So showing it a bit more in the daylight, because the initial one was when I first arrived. So there you go, that's what it looks like. You can get some really good deals if you go at the right time of year. So this one had central heating all round. They do tend to on the bronze caravans. Nice big TV with HDMI out cable. Let's have a look round. So yeah, it's just your typical fare really. Got a big sofa area. The sofa in particular on this caravan wasn't the cleanest, I've got to admit, but I was only here for a couple of days, so we just decided it was okay in the end. So that's the oven. Oven was very good actually. Got very hot very quick. The coffee machine over there is ours. It does not come with the caravan, by the way. You do get a toaster and a kettle though. So it comes. This 3-bedroom does actually come with 2 toilets. So there's the shower and the sink and the toilet. So yeah, that's the master bedroom. And then I'll come out now and show you the other bedrooms. So this is the first twin with 2 single beds, and then from there we come round and we have another twin. Now we've only got 1 mattress on the second twin. The reason for that is we'd actually only got a 2-bed caravan and they upgraded us to a 3, but obviously that was a bonus for us really on this one. So she's showing you during the daylight, because that was quite late on when I did that footage. So yeah, another little walk around again. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope it's just giving you a little bit of advice. I mean, we only paid to stay here something like £49 for the weekend, for Friday to Monday. We did use blue light discount and got a bit of a discount as well. So yeah. So yeah, I hope it's given you some sort of perspective of what you've got in this caravan. I hope it was helpful. Please check out the playlist of Cleethorpes and check out my walk around the site, and also walk up into Cleethorpes town. Thank you very much and goodbye.